Good morning and welcome to Morning Line. Today we have a total of 133 odds, 9 matches, straight win. Let's get started. The first game we have today is a game between Kasim Pasa Istanbul taking on Adana Demirspor in the Turkish Super League. And then my prediction here is straight win for the home team. Then moving on, we have a game in Lithuania where Hagelmal Lithium is taking on FK Banga. My prediction here is both team rather a full-time win for the home team. The next game we have is the game in the Japan J League 3, a game between FC Gifu taking on YSCC Yokohama. My prediction here is home team win at full time. Kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also, let us know where you are watching us from in the comments section. Moving on, we have a game between Ganzhou Rishi taking on Zhang Chongde in the Chinese league, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. We will move on to Belgium, where Standard Liège is taking on Bierkopf, and my prediction here is home team win for full time. Then the next one we have is a game between Royal Chariot taking on KV Kortrijk, and my prediction here is home team win at full time, still in Belgium. Then the next game we have is a game between AD Camacha taking on AD Chico in the Portugal Division 3. And my prediction here is home team win at full time. Moving on, we have a game between Mode FK2 taking on Skesmo. And my prediction here is home team win at full time. You find this game in Norway Division 3. Then the last game on this ticket is a game between Lavidia Tallinn taking on Mekauju in the Estonia Premier League, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. That gives us a total of 133 odds, 9 matches. Bet responsibly. If you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp and then we'll talk from there. Remember, it's a paid service, it's not free, it's not pay after. The subscription fee is affordable for everyone to join. Here is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you're not using Sportybet, kindly select this game manually in your own local booking and play them. Thank you for staying tuned. I will see you guys later. And also, if you want to get today's shot to us, I will drop the link to my YouTube channel in the comment section. So go there and get today's to watch.